Would it be nice to finally reach your dreams for your family? What if there was an opportunity for you to reach those dreams?
I am Sarinal Bautista, Property Specialist of Aboitiz Land. Before I work here as a property specialist, I was a team leader sales clerk sa isang convenience store. Dahil na rin sa hirap ng buhay at breadwinner ng aming family, naisipan kong mag-resign upang makahanap pa ng mas malaking pagkakakitaan na alam kong makatutustos sa aming mga pangangailangan. So, nag-start ako maghanap ng trabaho through online last January 2020. While browsing, nakita ko yung post ni Aboitiz Land. During those time, I had no idea about real estate but I still tried to apply. Nung araw ding iyon, may tumawag sa aking sales manager ng The Villages at Lipa at nag-set sila ng appointment for my final interview and examination. It was very convenient because everything is online already. Na-hire ako February 2020 and for me, it was a blessing in disguise. Yung journey ko here bilang property specialist ay sobrang unexpected, fun, and knowledgeable. At first, sobrang hirap dahil wala naman akong idea and background when it comes sa real estate and into selling. But my manager, co-PS, and my sales director helped and guided me. Tinulungan nila ako how the basic and proper ways to communicate sa mga clients at kung paano makakapag-close ng mga sales. Yung dream and goal ko simula nung nakakabenta na ako is maging top seller. Dahil na rin sa aking kagustuhan at naging motivation ko ang aking family at ang team, I push myself and I work hard. In-apply ko lang lahat yung mga tinuro sa akin at dahil doon, naging top seller ako noong 2021. At sobrang unexpected, in God's blessing, I won a brand new car na pinarapol ni Aboitiz Land.
My name is Milalyn Barnido, Senior Sales Director of Aboitiz Land. I have been into real estate industry for more than 20 years now. I have been to different developers and I can say that it is only in Aboitiz Land that I feel I am truly at home. Being a sales leader, I was able to share my knowledge and experience with many sales professionals. And seeing them succeed is one of my fulfillments, indeed, one of my life's breakthrough moments.
Here in Aboitiz Land, discover the ways on how you can make your dreams for your family a reality. Come and be part of Aboitiz Land, the company that innovates to lead more Filipinos home.